Dismount the high-pressure pipes according to procedure 90914. Close the oil inlet valve to the fuel oil pump and drain the pump. Dismount the air pipe connection to the puncture valve. Dismount the drain oil pipe from the top cover. Dismount the puncture valve from the top cover. See procedure 9098. Dismount the suction valve. Remove the top cover fixing nuts. Loosen the top cover by means of the two dismantling screws from the tool panel. Dismount the fuel index pointer. Mount the lifting tool on the fuel pump top cover. Screw the center screw of the tool into the plunger. Ensure that the stop ring on the center screw is loose. Pull the center screw of the tool to lift the plunger clear of the bayonet joint in the roller guide and the milled recess of the regulating guide. Lift the top cover and barrel with the plunger out of the fuel pump housing as one unit.